Hey friends, it's 12th day of our 30-day Craving Busting Adventure. If you feel like you're trying to eat healthy and you just don't have enough healthy food, especially like ripe fruit or fresh greens on hand, then it's time to get creative and to let go of perfectionism. Because if we just throw in a towel and say that, well, I don't have this healthy food, I will just eat everything, then it's not really do us any good, and so many of us are tempted to do that. So maybe have a strategy for this event. If you don't have enough fruit, then what would you do? What would you eat instead? Or maybe you have some dates that you can soak at any moment, some stash of dates, unless you're getting too tempted to eat them all at once when you buy them. It's also really good to be prepared in advance. Like if you see that you're running out of bananas, then get some more, and even better, get a certain amount that you know that you need for the day. Maybe bananas or even some other fruit that can ripen, like pears, maybe papaya if you have it. And get it in advance. So if you know how much you need for a week, you can get it every week at a certain time and try to never skip. Or if you can't do it one day, then next day for sure get it. And try to compensate for this one day that is coming, that maybe the fruit will be not ripe yet. Try to get something that you can eat instead of this ripe fruit. So plan ahead and think, calculate how much time will it take for the fruit to ripen, and if you can't make it, then eat something else, prepare something else. And if you're eating some cooked food, then have some sweet potatoes, maybe steamed. You can even make juice out of carrots, for example, to get your carbohydrates if you're low on fruit. And if you don't have fresh greens, then you can have green powder. So it's good to have these things in advance, like green powder, dates, or other dried fruit, and some vegetables that don't go bad so fast. Like carrots can be stored quite a while, and apples also. And of course you can freeze some ripe bananas that can be stored in a freezer for many months. And if you're trying to make a recipe and you don't have all the ingredients, for example, you can't find good beets, then you can replace them by any other root veggie. So to be flexible, and even fresh greens, if you don't have certain type of greens, then replace it by other similar green or just any green. Just be mindful that some greens are very mild, like romaine and spinach, and other greens like parsley are extremely strong, much stronger. So you would need much less of them. Or if you put too much, then you might end up not being able to eat it because it's a too strong flavor. It might not actually be good for your body. Just be creative, and if you have some particular challenges, then you can let me know in the comments below and we can brainstorm together. And if you would like to get my free meal plan and Craving Busting workbook, then you can download them in the link in the description below. And I'm so excited to see you again tomorrow in the next video. Bye!